you know, because these videos might be getting 1K, 1.4, 1.3. You know, go to videos real quick, go to short. These ones don't do well, so I have them privatized. The only one that did well, I'll show you. And I'm going to teach you probably why you have problems with content creation. So I'm just showing you my analytics for certain videos. And see, look, I got this one. This is my popular one at 436 views and 24 likes. So that's 96% of my channel's like and disliked ratio. So like I got one dislike out of 24. This one got 2 likes, you know, so on and so forth. 1 like. I want to show you the analytics for this video, okay? I'm so low of a channel that it doesn't really, it's going up steadily, slow, okay? But that's impressions. So impressions are going up a little at a time as my channel grows. 400 views, it's going up slowly, so 432, 433, okay? So browse feature, that's percentage of views from browse feature, which that means I think your subscriber base, I'm not quite sure. Maybe that's a search suggestion is low, so that means my video was not getting suggested it wasn't getting recommended on the feeds of people, so it wasn't getting out there to get viewed. Suggested this video, okay? So when you get higher up there, you upload more videos every day. My problem is I'm inconsistent, so only this time, okay? So, and then you go down. This is what also recommending your channel. So you want to go back, say, hey, this is basically not working for me. It's not suggesting to the right people. So what you do is you go to details. You know, you could have all these different apps. Like I got vidIQ, I got TubeBuddy, but I don't have the paid services, so it doesn't really do that much. Playlist, personal videos, but I have recently privatized that right now. Maybe I'm not doing it in the right way. Like I have motivation, encouragement, but that's a low. So like your tags, like your keywords maybe are not the right one for your niche. Like say it's not getting out to the right people. These ones, motivation, small content creator, self-discovery. What did I talk about in this YouTube video? I talked about 9 to 5, so rat race. 9 to 5. Maybe that will work. So you get it, right? As long as these are green, you might be in the clear. See, I don't have, where's my tags? Sort tags. Then TubeBuddy also gives you another couple. So mental health, since I was like talking about like stress, anxiety, you know, people not really giving a crap about you, and just a lot of people go through. And that's like kind of my content, is doing things that try to brighten somebody's day. It's basically tell them they're not alone. So that's that one. I'm going to show you more of my analytics. I'm going to show you more of my analytics. So this video did decent, but it didn't do as I hoped it would do. I'm going to get into shorts in a minute. But Fortnite does not do well for me. Yeah, 20 views, 22 views, 13. 1 like, 6 likes. But my personal content. Here's the thing. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you got to decide what you want to do. Do you want to do personal videos? Do you want to put gaming? Do you want to put entertainment? It all is up to you. And one thing that you have to learn in content creation, if you're doing shorts, is your hook. So I'm going to show you. This is what I don't do. I'm trying to implement it in a certain way, but it's not working. So I still got to figure it out myself. This swipe to view ratio. The stay to watch, the swipe away rate. You want this to be the opposite way around. You want the 23 to be with the swiped away, and you want at least the swiped away to be where the stay to watch is. Well, it's not just to get more views, it's to keep your channel, your video alive, basically. So like, say you're getting views, unique views are this, but the regular views are this. You want your views to look like, say you got 1.2K views. You want that to be at least close to this one to close to that. And if your videos are not doing that, that means that at some point in the video, like say this is 1 second, around to 4 seconds, if your hook in the beginning of the 3 to 4 seconds is not decent and it's not interesting enough, it's not making them want to stay, it's not teaching them anything. So you got to bring value to your content. The hook has to be exciting if you're doing personal videos. You can't just be like this. Clocked out at work, gonna watch some YouTube. My fiance is watching. Okay, so that, you see, it's too much explaining. You don't want to say, hi, welcome to my channel, this, that, and the other thing. You want to entice them to watch your video. And that's completely it. Then you have to deliver, say, in this area, going all the way down, you want it to be at least up here, to the 150 to the 100 range. You don't want it anywhere below 50 to 0. It has to be so entertaining that they stay all the way to either 150 or 100. Now, you could say, well, personal content is not really made for shorts then, because it's not that entertaining. Well, you can make personal shorts outside and do perfectly well, but do inside, it might not work, depending on your living situation and shit like that. Like me, you see, right? But at the same time, this happens to all my videos, and this is what I need to learn, which I'm trying to teach myself how to. I'll show you another video that got 1.7. This one, it's got 1.6, well, actually 1.6, okay? So the engagement, it seems like an okay video, but it got the same swipe to watch and swipe away rating. It was just one off. But it also went away at 3 to 4 seconds. And then I'm going to show you another one. It's kind of confusing. Does it mean it's still alive, or does it mean that it is, done for? This one got 767 views. And you go in here, right? You say, okay, this looks healthy. 767 views. 67, okay? And then you go into engagement. You got 541 and 525. Okay, so it's around 70% for a 19-second long. It says 70.4 and 29.6. You still can get these numbers. Once you see this flat line, it'll go up slowly and slowly. But eventually, since you don't know how to do hooks, it stops at 4 seconds. So the main focus is to do short hooks in all of your videos. When you're doing shorts, you do quick hooks, quick edits, and this, that, and the other thing. Or just make the video interesting. In videos, you go, say like you go to Fortnite. It's different on this one, okay? So this is a shitty video I have that I have privatized now. It's 18 minutes long. No dislikes, no whatever. You have nothing on this, so I can't show you. Oh, it's in Reach tab. So, I'm just show you my shittiest clip. I mean, whatever. Impressions 200. For a video to get past 200 views, or like 20 views, this has to be up farther. And I'm not a good person to show this to show this with, but let me go back to the other video. Here we go. So Reach. This one got 7K. So that means it has a potential to reach 7K people. Has a potential to reach 7K people, and it's going up steadily. But this one, see this? The click-through rate, it says view per impression show. This measure has often viewers watch a video after seeing an impression, wondering whether your impression click-through rate is high or low. Okay, so you go here to help. I'm actually teach you something else. So you go here. I'll say what is CTR? Okay, this is built in on the desktop version of YouTube. CTR stands for click-through rate. It's simple terms. It measures how often people click on your video after seeing its thumbnail on YouTube. Creating GTR is a great indicator of how eye-catching your package thumbnail and title is. It tells you how if your video idea and presentation are successful grabbing the audience attention. Key things to know: average range, half of all channels and videos on YouTube have impression click-through rate between 2 and 10. Context is key. It's normal for CTR drop as videos reach a broader audience, while your core fans are very likely to click high CTR, and wider audience might not be as similar with your content lower CTR if the video is doing well. But anyways, oh, that's why nobody's clicking on my title. So I'm gonna test out this video again. Okay, I'm gonna test out this video again. I'm gonna change this because that doesn't make sense at all. That doesn't work. See, look, I have a score on the side. I gotta make it. But then I gotta make a thumbnail that I'll do it that way. Yeah, that is better. Why YouTube channels fail with life stress, failing jobs at a late age. I brought it up a little bit more. That might actually work with just a thumbnail. So I guess that will work. All right. I'll get back to this on a later date. I don't know if you watched this all the way through, but if you did, thank you for actually joining. And if you want to watch this video that I have on screen, this is my first successful video. I want to see it blow up a little bit long. Subscribe. Thank you for joining.